Hello everyone, welcome back to King Conquest. And in this video we have a small puzzle, to move checkmate by white. And as we can see, the black king is in the middle of the board, and this is actually my weaknesses, so to speak, when I try to solve the puzzle. Because when the opponent is king in the middle of the board, it's usually not that easy to solve for me personally. So this is basically me challenging my own weaknesses. So yeah, okay, enough chit chat. To move checkmate for white, and this pawn is going this way, our pawn. So yeah, white to play and checkmate the black king into moves. Pause the video if you want to try. Okay, welcome back. Well, in this position, if we can imagine, the black king has only like only two squares available for the black king to move. Like, so if we say that we move our bishop to d3, and this is obviously a checkmate. As you can see that the dot is not green but purple, so this is basically a stalemate. So this is not a solution. So yeah, there is only two available square for the black king to move, and any other square is basically occupied by our pieces. And this is very important to solve this puzzle. And let's say we move our queen here, for example, to c4, right? Well, there is only one square available for the black king to move, but then from here you cannot checkmate the black king. Let's say you move here, well, the black king has an escape square basically, so this is not the solution. Okay, what else? Moving our pawn and our king is also doesn't really achieve anything, because this pawn is very good at guarding this square, and this pawn is even better for guarding these two square, right? So basically it has its own duty basically, and this king, even though it's like seems like doing nothing, is actually guarding this square. So yeah, and basically these three pieces is, well, you don't have to mess around with basically. So yeah, knowing all of that, you should be able to solve this I would say annoying puzzle for me personally. And the solution, if you want to if you already know it, is moving our bishop not to d3, because it will be stalemate, but to e2. And in this position, in this position, this white square bishop is basically guarding this square, this escape square. Like, so for example, this white, our pawn in this e pawn guard this square, and our bishop guard this square and this square also. So the black king cannot escape basically, and this square, the d5 square, is guarded by our queen. So yeah, and this is actually the solution, bishop to e2. And there is only two square available for the black king to move, and let's say black king move to e4, and the next move is obviously you have to find a check that basically trap the black king into checkmate. And the move you have to find is queen to e6. As you can see, the king is on the, I don't know, like it has like a red color, and this is basically a checkmate. cannot move anywhere. This square guarded by our bishop. This is also, and this square is guarded by our pawn. This square and this square and this square is actually guarded by our queen. So this is the solution. And the other square that we haven't discussed yet is to move their king to f5. Well, okay. If this, if black tries to flee or tries to go away from the center, and we can actually do this check, queen to d5, and amazingly this square is guarded by our queen. This square and this square is guarded by our king, and this square again guarded by our queen, and this square is guarded by our bishop, and this square is guarded by our pawn. So yeah, annoying little puzzle for me personally, because the king is on the center of the board. But yeah, as annoying as it can get, at the very least I can make a video about it, so you may take some lesson or two from this video. So yeah, pretty little neat puzzle, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.